Today we are going to learn smart way of destructuring. Now let's get started. Here you can say I've created a list with items 1, 2, 3. Now I want to unpack all the items. On that case, I can use A, B, C, the variables, and on the right hand side I just need to use the list name. Here the list name is L. So I'm going to type L. Now if I try to print ABC, it will give me 1, 2, 3. Let me show you that to you. First I will get into the directory where I have this file. I'm going to run that file and the file name is toot47. Here you can see it has printed 1, 2, 3. Say your list is having a length of 4 items and you are using this syntax to destructure it. On that case you will get an error like too many values to unpack, expected 3, because here you can see you're trying to unpack 3 values but your list is having 4. That's why you are getting this error. Please keep this in mind. Now let's move into second tip where you want to unpack start and end items and you want to leave the middle ones. Here let's consider I want to unpack 0th index, first index and the last index, and I want to leave the uh, in between elements. Let me try to increase the list size so that this example would make more sense and I can explain it to you better. Here I'm going to unpack first two elements and I want to skip the middle ones. For that you can use star. Here I'm going to specify it with an variable name middle. Then I'm going to specify the last index item variable as d, and I'm going to use equal to, and here you can see specify L, that is the list. Now if I try to run my code, I will not see the error which I get earlier, like a value error. It will work fine. Here you can see it work fine. So basically if you want to unpack the items where the list size is not definite, on that case you can go with this second approach. Or let me try to print the variable values to the terminal so that we can see what that variable holds. Now I'm going to print AB, then middle, then D. So let's try to run this one. We should see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To make it better, I'm trying to print the middle in a different line so that this would make sense and it will help us to understand what the middle variable is actually having. Now let me try to run the code again. We should see the value which the middle variable is holding. It should have 3, 4, 5. Here you can see it is having 3, 4, 5. Thanks for watching.